I'm Jack Rogers, welcome back to Jacked Up Cakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup themed cake. I'm super excited, so let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to take my 2 chocolate cakes out of their pans, level them, and cut each of them in half. If you want to know how much I put in each pan and how big the pans are, the link is in the description box down below with a full description with all the ingredients, tools, and materials I used to make this cake. I just cut out my chocolate cake layers, as you can see, and now I'm going to take a bit of simple syrup and just spray these so they stay moist while in the fridge. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I simple syrup my layers. Now I'm just going to clean up all these crumbs and we'll layer this cake. Now it's time to layer these cakes. This is just an 8-inch cake board. 8-inch cake layers, 8-inch cake board, it fits. So all I have here is 2 different buttercreams. One's a darker orange and one's a lighter orange. All I'm going to do is place a dab on the cake board so it sticks, you know the drill. Be careful, these are thin. And place my first cake layer. Normally in between these layers I would just place a dab and spread it out, but I want to do something special, so I'm going to do stripes of alternating colors. So first things first, I think I'm going to do this. I'll place, never done this, a dab in the center of the lighter buttercream, and then I'll pipe rings around it. I just finished layering this, and now I'm just gonna put a bit of buttercream, and now I'm going to smooth it out. Finished crumb coating this, I'm gonna place this in the freezer for 5 minutes until it's completely chilled, and I'm gonna pipe rings around the sides to get a striped effect after, so see that? Here she is. The cake is fully chilled. Nothing. So I'm just going to pipe ring and ring and ring like usual, except I'm going to alternate between my dark and my light buttercream. I just finished icing all of this, and now I'm going to place it in the fridge, and then we'll finish it with some Reese's peanut butter cups and some piping. While the cake is chilling, I'm gonna unpackage all of these, see how long it takes. I'm gonna put this cake on here, so let's do it. I think what I'm actually gonna do is take some of these and place these in between. So I think I'm gonna pipe like that, place like one in between. I'm sorry about this right here. This is the stupid sun setting, annoying, but can't do anything about it. Now I'm gonna just cut these in half. Cute. And I'm gonna place them on the bottom. It's kind of satisfying to cut these in half. The sun is really bothering me. Like, look, it's like a sunglasses. You thought I couldn't cut up more? I'm gonna cut up a bunch of these and pile mountain. All right. Carefully. I'm gonna cut 3 at a time. Multitasking. This is the good side, I think. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I just enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I make new cakes every Sunday, and next time the sun will be gone, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to help me reach 10,000 followers. I'm currently at 8,500, and please give me a follow. It would make my day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.